play Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza.
Okay, my name's Tara.
I'm Ava. I'm Anya.
And I'm Kaden McCandless.
This is a social card game that is going to change your game night forever. You've got this stack of cards. It says Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza on the cards so you don't forget the order. And it's pretty much like slapjacks, so everyone's dealt some cards. We'll do a little demo for you. Here you go. We won't go all the way there, but. So you're gonna play your first card, and then we're just gonna go in order: Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza. Taco
Cat.
Goat Cheese Pizza.
Taco.
Cat.
Goat.
So she said go as she laid down the goat card. So then you have to slap it just like slapjack. And then the first person to slap it gets to take this pile and give it to any of the players on the table as like a punishment, because you want to have 0 cards, like Uno. Once you get no cards, then you win. You can play 3 to 8 players. We ended up playing with 5. Taco. Yeah.
Cheese.
No,
I don't go.
Cat.
Go. Cheese.
Wait,
You slap.
Oh, I got it.
Taco. Your turn.
Cat.
Go.
Cheese.
Taco.
Cat.
Goat.
Cheese. Give it to Vincent.
You're so cheese.
Pizza.
Taco. Cheese. Pizza.
Now she wins.
Oh my god.
And that's how you play Taco Cat Cheese Pizza.
I guess. I'm crying if you can't see. I'm literally crying.
So my experience playing this game was very valiente, as they say in Spanish. It was bravery. It was heart. It was realness. It was trueness. I felt like my friends over here, they're mean people, but they were nice to me today, so I had fun.
I didn't know what was happening, and Kaden kept messing up the order, so I was. It was pretty fun. I would give it a 7 out of 10.
I think this is a great game, only if you have Anya in the game, because she slaps the table really hard. It makes me laugh so hard, and I'm gonna cry. You say?
12 out of 10. 12 out of 10.
I hope you liked the video.